Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. There's so much buttons to press. It's freaking cold again. Anyway, we are back, part 2 of the headliner. Now I do know the word, last time I was really struggling with the word, what it's called, but it's called a headliner. So we got the headliner down on the floor right there, and we got the beautiful Suzuki Jimny right over here. Look at that. She is looking beautiful. God dang it. Sheesh. And in today's video, yeah, we are going to paint the headliner black with some textile spray. So yeah, you can spray fabrics with this stuff. And also pretty good idea that I bought an extra one, so I can paint this one without having a lot of smell in my Jimny. Yeah. And then of course we do have the 300 holes that needs to be drilled. We got this little light thingy that makes sure that all works. We got a remote control, and yeah, probably not going to use this one because, well, in where I live we do not have two singles like that. Probably gonna use this one, and not really sure where I'm going to hook up the power, but we'll see later on. Gonna drill 300 holes, easy peasy. And why am I not painting this black first? Because, well, if I paint it black first, I drill a hole and some fabric comes back out and it's white, it's all screwed up. So I'm gonna drill the holes first and then paint it black. Fabric headliners just suck up the ink out of these things, so I came prepared. Also stole my kid's glue gun. Not really sure where I'm going to place this, but I'm pretty sure that stars are like every freaking where you look. So just gonna wing it and keep count. 3, 4, 5. Sheesh. And that is a 300 holes drilled. And I'm pretty sure you can't even see on the camera there are 300 holes in this headliner, can you? Probably not, because the lighting in here is not really perfect. This stuff is really getting on my system. Good thing I got Brabus Rocket Edition mouth covers. They're gonna help me out. Sheesh. God dang it. So, look at that. We just painted it all black and it's looking kinda decent. I was going to do the lights, but yeah, I have to let the paint dry, of course. Why am I saying I'm gonna do the lights today? I have to let the paint dry. So yeah, see you guys in another day. And we are back another day. Now that went fast. It's actually, as you look at my beard, it's about 3 days. So I didn't shave in 3 days. I let the paint dry for 3 days, and look at that. We're back. And it is looking awesome as hell. A black Suzuki Jimny headliner. Yeah, buddy. And yeah, suddenly the Brabus is inside because I took the Jimny out for some off-road adventure last night. That little car is just amazing, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, I'm going to get all the fibers in. To make my life a little bit easier, I divided 300 wires into 4 sets of like 70, 80, didn't really count them. Was like, yeah, just gonna put it into 4 because I divided the headliner into 4 different pieces. And I put the wires like this set is going over there, that set's going over there, so I made my life a little bit easier, you know? It's fairly easy to do it all yourself, but I kind of understand why Rolls-Royce asks $15,000, 15,000 euros. Not really sure where they make Rolls-Royces, but it's a lot of work. But if you do it this way and use your original headliner, you can do it for like 200 euros, $200. You can do it fairly cheap. This thing is really starting to look like a goddamn guitar. Look at that. As you guys can tell, I already have another jacket on. I have another hat on. It is already another day. I'm gonna finish it up today. I really want to finish it up today. If I change outfits again, well, it means that I probably screwed up again today. So yeah, a lot of work to do, god dang it. And just in case, if you guys are wondering how 300 lead fiber wires look like, it looks something like that. Whee. And that's all there is to it. Just use a glue gun and make sure these wires don't go up and down all the time, because we're going to cut them off when everything is glued. There is a lot of fiber light going on here. So let's put out the Brabus. Let's get the Brabus outside. Let's put Jimny inside, and let's try to get the original headliner out. God damn, I really love that Jimny. There are so many things wrong with it that it's just awesome. No idea why I closed it up. Gotta be inside, so makes no sense. I was going pretty fast taking off this headliner, original headliner. And if you are wondering how you have to take these things off, so there's like a little speaker on top and the mirror and things like that, well, it just pops off. I owned like 12 or 13 Hondas, and the same with Hondas, every Japanese car you can just pull it off. It just pops out. Working in the factory was a lot easier than this. God dang it. Okay. Job done. It's that simple. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Now, as I told you guys, I'm all about original parts, but not sure what I'm gonna do with an original headliner. Where I'm gonna store it. God dang it. Yeah, it's all coming down to the wire right now, so. The only thing you gotta do is cut these cut these fiber wires as shortly as possible. What happens if I turn off the light? Now that is cozy. And it does change color and it does a lot of cool stuff. Let's get some more wires and let's put it in the Jimny. There's a lot of wires going on and I really, really like it. No, I'm not gonna show you guys yet. I'm not going to show it to you guys yet. I'm gonna put the headliner in the Jimny first, then I'm gonna fire it up and oh man, this looks awesome. This really looks cool. How can it be so big? God dang. Yep. It's looking very fine. It is app controlled, so I can do a lot of things with an app. Turn it on and off with the app. I'll show you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the headliner Starlight is in. As you can tell on top here, maybe not, kind of dark. Do your business, little Sony A7S Mark III. Also painted those parts in black because they were like this light grayish. The side panels over there, that one and that one over there, also painted. And yeah, let's turn out the lights, turn off the lights, and I only have to, still have to do the visors. But anyway, let's turn off the lights and let's see what we got. So I'm just gonna try a couple of, now it's in some kind of transfer mode, look at that. So it's transferring from it's a 7-color fade. Look at that, neato. 1, 2, 3. Sound activated, LED. So I can give you guys a little show up of the app. Over here you can just like turn to red or blue or purple or whatever, and then you can increase the strength of the LEDs, so a little bit more, a little bit less, a little bit more again, and then you get different modes. I'm not really sure. This is like let's just take the 7-color fade. If you take that, look at that, this is going to happen. Just going to fade into different colors like that. Easily, very easily. Neato. There we go, lights back on. So what do you guys think? Like, how cool is it? I'm really in love with it. Anyway, so still have to attach this wire over here in the corner, because, well, it's like I said, it is plugged into this 12-volt socket. But like I said, the system is just up there in the corner. Only have to undo one little plug. So if the system breaks, it is pretty easy to repair. It's not a hard job. It's not even a 5-minute job. It's 2 minutes. Screw the top off, screw the rear off, put another computer in there, and good to go. So yeah, that is that for the Suzuki Jimny Starlight headliner. Finally remembered the name. It is headliner. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really want it, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Peace. Drive safe. See you guys in the next one. See ya.